Hi there, I'm Chris from Budget Cars. I'm just doing a video for you on the Toyota Alpha here, the 7-seater. This is actually a pretty cool car. Having a look at it, she's not a standard Alpha. Like I said, she is a 7-seater, which is great for families. Usually these do actually come in 5-seaters. 5-seaters are cheaper, but this one also comes with a body kit, which makes it look a lot nicer, and it's sitting on a nice set of wheels as well, which does make it stand out just that little bit extra. They've also chucked in some chrome and stuff like this just to accent the curves and all that sort of stuff to make it just that much better, really. It is a second-hand car. It is a 7-seater, so I did notice there is a scratch on the back here and stuff like that. But like I said, being a family vehicle and a second-hand car, it's to be expected. Coming through, she's actually rather quite tidy. There's a few scruff marks and all that sort of stuff. Clearly someone used to put stuff in the back, because those actually fold down rather quite well to actually give you a lot of space in this vehicle. We are actually open 7 days a week, because I saw you said you were coming from Whangarei. So if you want to make it during the weekend, absolutely pop on in. Bring your trade-in, your Holden Cruise, I think it was. Yeah, and take this for a spin. I also noticed this has actually got cruise control as well, which is quite handy. And also, because this is a G-spec, that means it's got a better safety rating as well. This one actually has extra airbags and stuff like that. Most of the other S-specs, they only have 2 airbags just for the front 2 passengers, but this will have the curtain airbags as well. But yeah, awesome. Cheers. See ya. Bye.